Protest is a vital part of democracy. It's one way to have your voice heard, to support your community, and speak truth to power. But do we have a right to protest? Under international human rights law, there's no specific right to protest. However, there are rights to free expression and free assembly. These are found in the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Australia has agreed to abide by these. In Victoria, the Charter of Human Rights and Responsibilities incorporates these rights into Victorian law. A right to free expression is found in Section 15, and a right to peaceful assembly is found in Section 16. The Charter requires that all public authorities give proper consideration to human rights and act in a way that is compatible with human rights. Public authorities include the Victorian Government and Victoria Police. All Australians also have an implied freedom of political communication under the Australian Constitution. While the Charter allows authorities to put limits on rights, these limits must be reasonable and demonstrably justified. So while there isn't an explicit right to protest, Victorians do have a right to express themselves publicly and assemble peacefully. Exercising those rights is protest, a part of ensuring a more accountable and representative political system for Victoria and a more just and equitable society for all.